Right, I have a short vid on multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. I'm not going to look at the book, I'm just going to give you 4 demos. That's what I usually do when I teach this stuff. Let's go black. Okay, 4 demos, very simple. Do you know what 4 times 2 is? Yes, the answer is 8. Do you know what 4 times negative 2 is? Well, minus 8. Do you know what minus 4 times 2 is? Minus 4, then double up. Well, minus 8. Can you guess what minus 4 times minus 2 is? That double minus again, it's positive 8. Could always put a plus there if you really want to. That's that. The same rules apply for division. Do you know what 10 divided by 2 is? Answer is 5. Do you know what minus 10 divided by 2 is? Correct, minus 5. How's about 10 divided by minus 2? Again, 10 divided by 2 is 5, but it's negative. And no prizes for getting that one. Minus 10 over minus 2 is going to be positive 5. The minus and the minus will become plus, and don't ask me to prove it. So positive 5, 10 divided by 2 is ordinary 5. So that's the essential foundations of that. Now, let's grab some from the book, page 22, working at grade E, so it's not very hard, is it? Basically, question 1 and question 2 and question 3 are taken care of by those 8 little demos. So let's just jump straight into question 3. Which of these are correct? If the answer is wrong, write down the correct answer. Okay, well, let's just randomly pick one. So this is 3D. It says minus 6, multiply that by minus 2. Is it minus 12? Well, minus 6 times minus 2 should be plus 12, so it's not correct, and it should be, oh dear, it should be ordinary plus 12, or just a 12 on its own. That means not equal to, by the way. Let's pick another one. Again, it's just random selection. 36 divided by 6. Now, you know I hate this sign, don't you? Those of you who know me know I hate that sign. Does that equal to minus 6? No, why on earth should it? 36 divided by 6 is just 6. That's not true, so let's just say so. Done. Next one. What is minus 56? This is n divided by 7. Is the answer negative 8? Well, first establish, is 56 divided by 7 8? Yes, it is. Is a minus divided by a plus a negative answer? Yes, it is, so it's true. Again, nothing too flash here. Let's look at the last one. Well, one more anyway. Minus 48 divided by 8. I much prefer that. Does it equal minus 6? Well, 48 divided by 8 is in fact 6. We have a single minus dangling there, so the whole thing is negative, so it's true. What else? Find the missing bits and pieces. Question 5. This has been rated at grade D by AQA. 5 times I don't know makes minus 25. Well, it's got to be 5 5s to make 25, but in order for the answer to be negative, that too must be negative as well. So 5 times minus 5 is minus 25. Pick another one. This is F. So 27 divided by something makes minus 3. Well, 27 divided by 9 makes 3. But I've got to divide by minus 9 to make the answer minus 3. One more then, go on. 24 is the last one. 24 divided by something makes minus 6. Well, what is 24 divided by 4? Well, 24 divided by 4 is 6, but it needs to be negative to make the whole answer negative. Right, I want to change pages now because I really fancy the next little instalment. I did say we've got a bit of a Bidmas thing going down here, and I think I'll do a few of these. This is question 7 with a scary exclamation mark. It says minus 5 multiplied by plus 4, doesn't it look complicated, divided by plus 2. Let's just decode it a little bit. That means minus 5 times ordinary 4 divided by ordinary 2. Don't be scared, 5 4s are 20. But it's negative because of that negative sign there. Divide by 2. Don't be scared, what is 20 divided by 2? 10. But it's negative because of that. Landed it. Pick another one. Pick the middle one. Pick C. Minus 2 times minus 9 divide the whole thing by positive 3. Well, minus 2 times minus 9. Minus times minus is a plus, 2 9s are 18. Divided by an ordinary looking 3, answer 6. Piece of cake. Last one, do it over here. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 3, divide that by minus 4. Well, 8 3s are 24, and minus times a minus is a plus, so leave it alone, it's good as it stands. Now we're free to divide by minus 4. Well, 24 divided by 4 is 6, but the whole thing is negative because of the negative sign there. Answer minus 6, landed. Question 8 is equally as boring and unchallenging, except we've got some little short division things that are quite terrifying. Anyway, there's nothing new there, just obey the signs. So if I was to do, for example, D, 8D, it says what is 26 multiplied by minus 15? Don't be scared of it, just work out 26 times 15 and stick a dirty great minus in front of the number. That's what I'm going to do. So here I go, 26 multiplied by 15, 5 6s are 30, put the little 3 down somewhere, carry it over, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 is 13, get rid of it so you don't overuse it. Here we're multiplying by the 10, so put them all down, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2, add these little things up together, 0, 9, 3, 390, so the answer is going to be minus 390. Right, nothing wrong with doing that, and then finally saying the answer is negative 390. If you put a minus there to match the 15 there, the minus 15 in the question, you may get confused when you come to do some adding or multiplying. It's going to get confusing, so work it out as is and then decide on the sign at the end. And that, my friends, is sorted. Okay, that's the end of positive and negative numbers in all its wonderful array, and we'll see you a little later on.